Alright, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 hour to make the best game ever. Good, so, last session we pushed our max2w3d, which did not quite compile. Well, it did compile, but it didn't link, yeah. So there was... there was right, so Papa Andrew, what did he say? So he said, so he found out that the that the error comes because the symbol is not quite the same. So here's a symbol and there's a very tiny difference. Here's an H and there's a J. In the core lab, it's different than what the linker looks for. Yeah. And he said it's obvious, which I found funny. I didn't see that. So then he said int pointer has to be int 64. But it's weird because if the pointer is 64-bit, it would imply that it's for 64-bit architecture. But that shouldn't be the case, right? So that's really weird. The int pointer should be 4 bytes. So that's really strange, right? The Max SDK does some weird things to int pointer by design. Let's see. Type def int ptr. Even if we're using the platform SDK, still need these. Jesus Christ. Okay, so he was able to reproduce linker errors that I have. Okay, I was able to break the Max build the same way. Okay, I added the DirectX 9 SDK to include paths to vs6. Once added, this error goes away. So there's something good about DX9 SDK. I think I also use it. Well, I'm not sure. Now we use what OmniBlade has added. That's because DXSDA comes with base tsd.h. Full DX 8.1b SDK. Because DX SDK comes with base TSD. It's just failing a post-build step of copying. Well, that's not true. It fails linking. You were happy to know that the build of Max works once I copied this file from that to that. Oof. Okay, but so extra min dx8 extra. So this is the thing that OmniBlade has added. Hold on. github.com min dx8 SDK, and so he said add this base TSD to that directory. Extra. Okay, and this, where is this from? Well, we could have uploaded the file dx8.1b. Downloads. Let's see. Why is this? Hold on. If we go to journals, let's clone this one. Clone repository. Why? Oh, okay. Okay, so this file that he's talking about. So if we go to this SDK, what is in here? There are a bunch of headers and there's a lib, 2 libs extra. So this file that he's talking about, is a part of the DX9 SDK? Let me see. This one. It is, yeah. Let me see. It's inside include. Okay, so he said base TSD. Let's download DX, this one, old version, 1-star rating. Oh. Why does it have 1 star? Well, is this a source code or is this redistributable? Library. SDK, yeah. That's the one. It's pretty big though. Let's see. Original. Show all. It's an executable. Well. Okay. Okay, I will try this. I wonder how OmniBlade has assembled this thing then. And why it compiles without this header. Maybe because so the base TSD maybe sets this in PTR to some value. Yeah. Yeah, I will try this and see. Yeah. Very strange. Okay, so we got codes. By the way, I wanted to check if OmniBlade has done anything to his repository. Yeah, he did something. He did fix up. Game engine G, what is that? Huh? Huh? Ah, generals. Huh. Okay. Okay. Looks like OmniBlade has not pushed any of the other tools yet. Ah, he did some here. Okay. Yeah. Well, he's missing a bunch of others. Okay, so let's take this into our terminal. Cd the projects the super hackers. Oops. Cd generals. Oof. Game codes and cd, so go in there, yeah, cd and then and make. So okay, okay, there we got the errors and but it's weird that he says that we have to add this base TSD file. So he said it's a problem of UN pointer in PTR. How about we say but we could also, I find it weird to link against DirectX just for one header. That doesn't make a lot of sense, right? So let's look at the original one. Tools. What was it? This one. So the DSP. It doesn't link against DirectX stuff, right? It just doesn't. So how about we try the following? We take the notepad, we are here, and we do definitions in PTR equals well, that's a good question. Let's open this file. Let's search for int PTR. Int 32, 64. Int 64. This file is only about pointer size. Wow. That's insane. If we it didn't even include original anything from DirectX. It's really weird that we would have to put this file there. Here in PTR, see unsigned variation. What the hell is that? What is this? I've never seen this. What is this? How does this even compare? What is this? could perhaps do is just like have a, you know, define for int pointer equals int, but it's also a bit strange. Oh man. Putting this file into the SDK and then okay, let me see. So if we just put here int pointer equals int, yeah, like this. Let's see. Let's see what this does. Yeah. Dx comes. Yeah, let's see if it compiles. To me, this implies that maybe we are missing some other preprocessor macro that sets Win32 maybe, right? Okay, we got Okay, we now get a compile error in base TSD, which is part of vc98. Let's look into this file. That's interesting. That's interesting. There we go. Win64. This one looks different. If def this, where's the else? Else. Long. Okay, so we cannot define this to anything else because it's using then this here. So this would become long int, pointer int, which doesn't seem quite right. Okay, good. So, but it sets it to long. And long should be fine, no? Wait, hold on. He said... so maybe it expects integer, but we give it a long? Could that be maybe the problem? HJ. H is int. J is long. Aha. Aha. So J is what we look for, right? Yeah. Okay, that matches what we see here. So here it's defined as long. Aha. Aha. So... I see. Okay, I see in this int ptr is type long. In, let's make it formatted. And in the other one, this one, it is a int ptr integer. Yeah. That's long pointer. Huh. So where's the other one? The min, hold on. Projects, Superhack, generals. Generals, min, yeah, min SDK. So extra yeah, so there it's not contained, but I mean it's kind of weird that there would be two of these. Aha, and then we would, oh, ah shit, what is this? Stop it. Includes int ptr is type int. This seems to be origin of problem. Now the question is who is right and who is wrong? Yeah. Yeah, so if that type is a long, oof. But then the question is, can we prevent base TSD, this one, can we prevent this from setting it to long? That's a question. As long as an include order dx is topmost, it should compile. Yeah, I guess. Topmost. Yeah, so basically base TSD maybe is only compiled in if int ptr is undefined. That could be, right? Dx is a fix. It is strange because max to w3d never links or includes dx. Well, hold on. Before I make that statement, how about we go to Visual Studio Code. Let's search for base TSD. The max, where's the max plugin? That's not it. Matchbots, particle, word builder here. Okay. So the question is there ever any header that includes this base TSD file? Maybe not directly, maybe it's indirectly compiled in, yeah. Can we, hold on, can we figure out, if we go to C, program files, no. We go to data, no. We go to C, program files. Let's look at the DirectX 9 SDK. Select, and then we search for base TSD. Like, who is including this thing in there? If anyone. Okay, so yeah, so I guess we have to make sure that the DirectX thingy is included first. Yeah. Okay, so we have downloaded this SDK. It's an executable. Oof. Oof. Virus total. Trojan. Oof. Malware. Yeah, looks like it's trash. It's probably trash. Let's extract to dx vs2022.81b. Include. Base TSD. But then why does it have to be put into the... Why does it need to be put in the extra folder? Okay, let's go to this one. Builds VC6 deps dx8 source extra. So we just drop it in here for starters. Let's see what that does. Let's go to here. Let's remove this. Okay. Well, I think that will still not link. We would need to... Right, I forgot about that. We would need to link against DirectX. Let's look at... code, tools. Let's look at World Builder. World Builder. So that links against dx8. Okay, lib. Okay. Then let's add that as well. Okay, so we put this in and now let's see what happens. By the way, we should probably, if we make changes to this one, we should fork it. Fork. Copy a master branch, yeah. And then we go to this and origin, manage. So this is, let's take a copy of that, save changes, plus that. Right, save changes, yes. Okay, so we have another remote. Check out master. Okay, and then this has compiled now. Wow. Wow, okay, that really works. Dang. Wow. Test it and work it. Wow. Okay, then we put here, this is only linked to have its base tsd.h included before, to have its base tsd used instead of, this only link to have its base tsd used instead of the vs6 base tsd.h. That's only linked to have its base tsd used instead of the vs6 base tsd. They type def in PTR to different types, but Max SDK expects it linked to int. Expects it type def to int. Okay. How about we put this comment up here? Both headers type def in PTR, well, let's say the headers type def in PTR to different types, but Max SDK expects it type def to int. Okay. Okay, then we got it figured out thanks to Papa Andrew. Was it Papa Andrew? Yeah, Papa Andrew. That's some bullshit. Okay, this is only linked to have its base TSD used instead of VS6 base TSD. The headers type def in PTR to different types, but Max SDK expects a type def to int. Otherwise, throws linker errors. Maybe make it here a bit more graceful. Maybe put it like so. Okay. Let's put this comment up here. So this is hack. Okay, how about let's open this. Let's open this in how about can we filter here for CMake lists? Yeah. I would like to visit. Let's start here. Okay, let's put this here at the top. Let's sort them a little bit. So it's a bit max script, bmm, geom, param. Yeah, like that. So make lists. Why does it not keep the old search? Babylon. So make lists. Is there a feature Visual Studio Code order selection, order lines alphabetically? Control A, Control Shift P, Control Shift P. Nothing happened. Control Shift P. Well, that didn't work. Try it again. Nope. Control P and then hit greater sign. Control P, greater sign. That doesn't work. Well, sort lines. Let's see here, sort lines. Wow, this one has 1 million downloads, 5 stars. Sort lines, F9, really? Okay, let's download this, see what happens here. Let's not auto-update it. Yeah, let's go. CMake list, GUI edit, F9 he says. Well, it does sort. Yeah, not the way I expected. I would have expected these guys here. Here. CMake lists. Mangler. Okay. CMake lists. Can also sort here. There we go. Remove this one here. CMake lists. Particle editor. CMake lists. What about the capitalizations here? Why is this all over the place? Let's make this. Let's make this. Okay, this one looks pretty wrong here. How about we go to this folder? Can we open the folder here? No, we can't. Of course. Why should we? Why should we? Libraries, source, www.vegas, www.download. List files, batch, list files in directory. I always need to look it up. I can't remember this thing. dir/b a-d. Eventually I will remember, I guess. Copy. Okay. CMake lists. Generals. Yeah, I think that's good. Babylon. Game engine. You can sort this one here. Mm-hmm. 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 Game engine. Put here. Oh, hold on. This one becomes for this one. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah, this one is wrong here. Let's search for all IMMs. IMM, that's correct. Correct. Good. Mm-hmm. Okay, then we have these properly sorted. That's nice. Yeah, I think this is good. Okay. Then let's go to General's game code. Yeah. Okay. Then how about we take this guy and we stage it. Browser dispatch this. Yeah. No, here. Have it space. That's typed of. Okay, but before we go on with this, how about we go to this one? So we need to create a branch, and we call it add base tsd .h. No, just base tsd. Base tsd. Okay, create, and then we go to base extra. This one we used, yeah. And then we add this in here. Okay. And then we say add base tsd from dx 8.1b. Then we push this to my place. Show options. Tracking reference. Okay. This is interesting. We can create a pull request straight away. I usually do it through the web interface. So we go to here. Yeah. This helps compiling max2w3d. Let me send this review to OmniBlade. Review. Okay. And then we will wait for his approval. And then I don't know if he understands what I mean if I say review. Please check if good. Good. Yeah, so that would be that. And that would then compile. Good. Then let's go back to code. So we have that. Yeah, we have it documented that this is only added for the int PTR thingy here, and that's it. Good, then we can just amend this commit here. Rewrite history, yeah, whatever. And then we apply this change where we just order these bunch of things, yeah. Actually, there was one where we changed the headers, right? Here, we fixed the headers because they weren't quite right. FTP, hold on, let's open it in the merge tool. So basically before there was ftp.h and another one here and two FTP defs. So I think someone already raised this before I screwed that up. Somehow it's still compiled though. Okay, but we have this corrected now. And the order seems to be all right. It's good. Then I think that's fine. Then I will make this a separate change. Fix include headers of www downloads. CMake lists. CMake lists.h. Then I will make another change here. This guy. This, that, and that, yeah. Let's compile this before we merge this. See if it's all good. Let's see what the Richard says. I was able to talk about launcher and it was widely accepted as best path forwards. I was happy to get some sleep. Yeah, it would have been interesting to hear what that launcher thing was, that launcher conversation. I have also ideas about launcher that I already dumped them in the GitHub. Yeah, I think we can start with something small, but in the end, I'm of the strong opinion, and I've said it multiple times, that we need a content distribution system that just liberates every content creator and user to discover all contents freely without any central authority that manages, like what is put on there. Like everyone can add anything. Yeah. Good, we are compiling. I mean, it looks promising. It looks like we have all tools now compiling. Then let me add a note here. Omniblade. So we have, oh my gosh. So CMake for max2 SDK. CMake for max2 SDK is sorted thanks to Papa. What was his name? Papa Andrew. My gosh, Papa Andrew. All tools are done in principle. I will hand this over to Omniblade to finalize when he can. Yeah, so I think if we have the VS6, everything compiling, things work, then I think it would be okay to submit. And then I guess there can be follow-up fixes for the CMake scripts when we find anything. And then we should be able to generate also Visual Studio 2022 solution next out of this same thing. Actually, we can probably already test this. Yeah. And then we can start fixing all the compile errors for that and try to figure it out. Yeah. That would be next step, I guess. Actually, there's one more thing before we submit that. Did it compile? It's still compiling. Okay, let's wait for it to run through first. Actually, we should probably, I made some changes here where I removed main. We should probably put that back in. Let me do that. And then we compile once more. By the way, what is this thing here? Map cache builder. There's an unholy comment here. Let's remove that. Good. I'm very happy that we got it all to compile. That's a milestone. It took long enough though. Yeah, but no rush. No rush. I'm relaxed. I don't need to rush anything. I just want to enjoy working on this thing, you know? I don't want to put pressure on myself. If someone wants to like power through things fast and spend all the sweats and tears on this, yeah, I don't. I just want to enjoy. So I'm not really too fussed about going slow here at the start. I know that there are other forks that already like swapping out backends back and forth and doing all sorts of crazy shit. But yeah, we are very slow here on our fork. That's fine. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Good. Then how how about we first wait for this one. Yeah. Go one step at a time. Oh, that looks interesting. Dun, dun. Let's see. Launcher similar to Minecraft so that you can choose your version of what game you want to play. This way it would allow a version created from anyone in the community to be added to the launcher. Yes, I very much like that. Instructables.com, what a website name. Let's see. Minecraft launcher. Looks pretty clean, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that goes into the right direction. Minecraft Java edition. Ugh. Allergic. Yeah, that's something. I mean, it's a lot simpler than what I would have imagined. But yeah, simple is good. Release snapshots. Yeah, something like this, definitely. Good. Let's see. Did it? It's still compiling. Holy shit. Holy shit. Man, I want to work on so many things. I want to have this tool. I want to have plain text W3D. I want to investigate mismatch. I want to fix all sorts of bugs. So many things. And many other things. It's, yeah. I think this will keep us busy for years. All the things we want to do easily. Yeah. So we need endurance, but I think I got it. I mean, I was totally willing to push on with the time development for years to get that out of the door. But now we don't need that. And so, like, for me, it's like so much work is pretty much done at this point, right? Like, to not worry about time, for me, is like the biggest time saving of all. And now everything that comes after is like small quests, right? It's outrageous because time itself, that was the absolute biggest obstacle, huge problem to solve. Yeah, that really gave headaches. Yeah, really bad. Wow, it's outstanding. It's outstanding that we were just able to drop it. Wow. Hmm. I think it cannot just be like a discovery. It also needs to be like a manager. So like when you have different kind of installs or add-ons, that you can also enable add-ons on top of mods, right? Stuff like this. But then there also needs to be functionality that like classifies, okay, this thing is compatible with this thing, either through like some clever checkings or that the authors explicitly mark them as compatible, right? So for example, what often happens is that there is some mod and another add-on and you put them together and then the files are conflicting, right? Because both want to change things in the same set of files, right? And then those items would not be compatible with each other, right? This thing happens. And so this would need to be either auto-detected or or someone needs to manually review this and flag it, right? So yeah, I think it's something that I think really will be a central role to have like this one tool that allows to discover all user-generated content for the game. I think that's very important. Yeah. Okay, so what do we do now? Is it still compiling? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Can we get a different music maybe? Okay, how about we look a bit here through our unread ones. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, for me, it's not so much interesting things going on. There's a lot of wiki stuff here. I'm more interested in the actual changes. I'm not really concerned about wikis. But it's good that people add it because there will be people who need onboarding, right? And those people, would like some wikis. Oof. Yeah, can someone review this maybe here? Okay, Stubiax has reviewed this. That's good. Alex. Call in carpet bombers to assist with destroying the GLA bases. Hold on. What is this? This is like a mission node, right? Oops. Doesn't load. Well, too big for GitHub. Yeah. Well, as long as it's not tied to a voice line, then there's liberty to change it. If it's tied to a voice line, then what often happens is that a text is an exact representation of what the voice says, and then you don't have the liberty to change it. But if this is just like a mission hint that is just purely text, then yeah, there's liberty, right? Lou is UK English, okay. Training salvage. Yeah. If this, again, if this is not tied to a voice line, then change it. But otherwise, be careful. That's a good point. Yeah. Here with those hints, you need to be careful with the length. If the line is longer than, I think, around 80 characters, you need to add a line break. Careful with long mission strings. They need to be line breaked at around 80 characters. Until we have a code solution for it. That's actually a good point. Maybe I should open let's go to github.com. Generals game code. Blank issue. Investigate and implement solution for mission strings, for mission text line breaks. Investigate implement solution for mission text line breaks. Line breaks, mission texts, or let's say mission military briefing texts do not auto line break. All local strings need to add line breaks manually. This need to add line breaks manually. This is error prone and this is error prone. It would be great to expose a new language setting to any that allows to auto line break mission briefing strings when the text hits the right end of the screen, of the viewport. Not auto line break. All local strings need to add line breaks manually. This is error prone. It would be great to expose a new language setting to language any that allows to auto line break mission briefing strings when the text hits the right end of the viewport. Mission. Yeah. Great. Labels, minor. Feature. Mm-hmm. Good. Is it still compiling? No, it's done. Very nice. Okay. Then how about we add those guys here? Fix ordering of link libraries. Fix ordering. Fix alphabetical ordering of link libraries. Okay, commit. And then let's actually compile one more time now also with game. Oh, we also need to merge this one here. There we go. Okay, and then I think there was one more thing I wanted to do, and that is adding quotes. Quotes, let's see. I think there's too much going on in this review. There's too much different kind of changes. It makes it really hard to follow this stuff. It's a problem. It's too much changes in one go. Like this is called US local edits, and there are edits for Brazilian in there and Chinese. Oh man. That's not good. It's too much. I can't review this. Well, I tried, but yeah, it's so much. Various localization fixes. Oof. Yeah, it's always a good idea to break down changes into small chunks, and it's also easier to finalize it and push it out, you know. If you just cram too much stuff into one change, then it's really hard to finish this up. And we see this here. These language fixes, they are open for so long already, for months. Because it's just so hard to finish these up. Yeah. It's just so many changes. It's insane. Okay, this one compiled. That's good. Then yeah, what I wanted to do is fix the CMake. So Babylon looks okay. That one is weird here. Why is this sitting in here? It's added twice, isn't it? Oh, it's a header. It has a header in the source. Oh. Oof. Oh, that's weird. Okay, but wouldn't it then still make sense to move it to up here? Yeah. Um, hmm. Yeah, I guess it's fine. We just put this here. Let me see the particle editor. Code tools, particle editor. Okay, so he sorted them by how did we sort it? GUI edit, include source. Yeah, well, I think it's fine. Leave it as is. I would just submit this one here. Maybe in a world builder, we should also. So particle editor has the headers down here. Does this make sense? Or does this make sense? I think this makes more sense, doesn't it? Because they all sit in one folder. Let's do it like this. And for world builder, it has its split, right? World builder. Yeah, include source. Let's go to world builder. Yeah, includes, yeah. I would say we move include above the source because I is smaller than S. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, let's compile that. Yeah. Fix source file order in particle editor world builder. Particle editor cmake lists.txt. Okay. Good. Is there anything else you want to change? Probably not. I think that's good enough. Yeah. There's maybe the question of like the WW stuff. Why are some lowercase and other uppercase? That's kind of weird. Where is this? Hold on. So code, libraries, libs, no, source, no. I can't recall where this is. Libraries, lib, include, source. Here, this one. Hey, here they are all uppercase. Oh no, they're not. Okay, well, never mind then. Never mind. Good. Maybe what we can do is yeah, I would say what we do, we change the capitalization of these guys. This one. Okay. Particle editor. Okay. Debug window. There we go. And debug window, game engine. GUI edit. GUI edit. Match bots already correct. Image packer. Image packer. Okay. And image packer, map cache word builder, map cache builder, map cache builder. There we go. There we go. Okay. Babylon. Okay. And what else? Save disk. I can leave that lowercase. CSC diff. What else? Compress. Word builder. Compress word builder. See, make lists. So do we have anything else? Timing test. Yeah, let's leave this lowercase. Because it already starts with lowercase. CMake lists. What else do we have here? CMake lists. Or maybe we just leave them lowercase. I don't know. I don't know. I think I can let OmniBlade decide. Let me revert this. Yeah. Yeah. Good. So did the last compile? Yep, it did compile. Let me push this. Yeah. Push. And force push. There we go. Then I will write to OmniBlade. Pushed all I have to branch. From my side is done. All ZH tools are building. I do not know what to do with Max SDK. I do not know what to do with Max SDK. I just have it pasted by hand. Good. Then let me make this comment here. All tools, all 0-hour tools are done in principle. I will hand this over to Omelette to finalize when he can. Good. So how about we give it a try with a modern Visual Studio? So what we do is we open our CMake, which I have somewhere here. Yeah. So I just launched CMake GUI. Then I go to here. I already have it actually. Then how about we clean up what was there before? This one here, we clean it up. And yeah, let's just delete it. Then we do a configure. Let's see what kind of errors we get. Hopefully none, but who knows? Okay, the configuration is done without errors. That's good. Let's click generate. Ho ho! It has generated. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. And it created the sime.solution. Let me take a screenshot of that. Paint. Let me put a rectangle around this. Not sure if we keep, not sure if we should keep that. vs2022 solution generates without errors. Not sure about the sime naming though. Well, why does it look so shit? That image. What is this? Let me do it by hand. Yes, 2022 Sol. I don't know what's up with zoom levels of that thing. It's kind of weird. Okay, let's open that that solution, and let's see what happens. So we open this with 2022. Everything is in here. Okay. Okay, that looks really promising. I really appreciate that. Let's put it on release first, because I expect on debug we will get all sorts of problems. So where's the game? 0 hour here at the bottom. Yeah. Let me write to OmniBlade, probably host it on its own repo and pull it down like the other dependencies. Maybe. How about host it in its own repo? No idea. Is it legal? All right, say yes. Is it legal? Okay, so we have 0 hour here at the bottom. Let's set it as our start project. If Visual Studio does something, it's still processing symbols, I guess. So yeah, we need to set 0 hours our start project. And things are slow right now here. It's doing something here. No background task. Well, it's not doing anything, but it's somehow slow. It doesn't react to things. Let's open a file so that we see something here in the text editor. Wow, what the hell? Why is this so slow? What is this doing? Oh boy. Oh, by the way, why is it x64? That doesn't look right. Man, Visual Studio is dying here. Oh, Jesus. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know why Visual Studio is just deciding to die here on us. I don't think we should name it Thyme because like I already have solutions for Thyme and this would be just another one. I think we should change it. Let me write something to Omniblade. I think we should change Thyme project name because we already have other solutions that are Thyme, that are called Thyme. Let me say, let me see. What did I want to say? That here. How about we make projects browser dispatch win compression game engine device lowercase. It's just these four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's just these four. How about we make projects also lowercase? All other projects or all other libs xe's are already. Good. Let me remove this entry here. So let's switch this to Win32 if it allows that. Man, it's so laggy, the solution. Oh. It generates with x64 by default. Huh. vs2022 solution is generated with x64 by default. Let me see why that happens. CMake add Win32 target. Yeah, I'm confused. Why is it doing that? Hold on. Machine. There. Huh. So, let me ask our friend ChatGPT. How can we tell CMake to generate the project for Win32 targets by default? CMake will generate a Win32 project. Okay. CMake generator platform. Yeah. CMake presets. CMake presets JSON. Is that a useful thing here? I mean, what I can do for now is simply here change this to Win32, I guess. Configure. Generate. Yeah, that has worked. Reload. It still is x64. Huh. Well, that is unexpected. Machine. Oh, there's another field here. Wow. Module linker flags. There's a lot, multiple ones here. Okay. Then let's do the following. So let's put that back to what it was. Let's try to find a... Okay, so CMake JSON. Let's try that then. Preset. So we go to... there's already such a file. Configure presets. Configure presets. So if we... if we just take this guy, name win, default, Windows builds. Win. Win. Yeah, how about, I don't know about these things here, but okay, how about we put Win32 here and we put the architecture Win32. Now the question is, how can we select this guy? Could not read preset. Okay. Preset. Let's reopen this. Yes. Invalid configure preset win. Okay. Then let's put it back to win. Windows builds. Build win. Okay. Generate. Okay, let's see if that works through the preset. So it would be then in here, win. Let me start this one here. It's also x64. Huh. Okay, we need to figure out what's going on there with the architecture. Huh. That is suspicious. Yeah, that is suspicious. Huh. It still has machine on x64 here for some reason. Yeah. Let's ask ChatGPT. I've set it like so. The solution is still generated for x64. How do we fix that? Does not specify a generator. If no generator is specified, CMake will use the system default. Huh? But the generator says But that's like it targets a specific window, a specific Visual Studio. Huh. Huh. Okay. All right, then let's do that. Let's see if that works then. Configure. I thought that we leave the generator for the user to pick, you know. I find this a bit strange. But okay, if it works. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Explicitly sets architecture for CMake to use Win32. Yeah, but that doesn't work. Preset Win. Maybe we have set the preset in here in the GUI. Doesn't work. So it still says x64. Check your CMake cache. Aha, CMake cache, that's a good point. A CMake cache. Okay, well in that case, how about we just close this whole thing? Then we close this thing. Then we also close this thing. Then we go to CMake presets. Let's remove this here. Actually, let's keep it for now. Let's go to build, remove this win here. There we go. Then we press, we close, we restart this just in case. Okay, where's the source code? Source code is here. Source code, we take a preset, Windows builds. It doesn't say anything here about architecture. Let's see. Configure. Aha. Win32. If empty generators uses this. Okay, so we have it now here. Okay, it does say it there. So what happens if we... Let's close this once more. Let's remove the generator. How about we say here, actually Win32. I think that's a much better set. Display name, Windows. Why is it called Windows Builds? Non-Windows Builds. Let's call this non-Windows Builds. x86. Let's just call it Win32 build. Okay. Yeah, let's try that. Good. Let's open this. So, game code. Why is it not opening? Okay, something is not working, right? Could not read preset. Invalid configuration preset win. Huh. Why does it expect the name win? Can't you just choose any name? Why do we have to choose win? I don't understand that. Or is this like linked somewhere else, this name? Let's search for win. Aha, build presets down here. I see. Build presets. Aha, there's more in this file. Okay, let's go down here. Configure preset. Right, okay, so here we have to say this one. Let's call it Win32. Workflow presets, Win32, Win32. There we go. How about that? Let's try this. Aha. Win32 build. There we go. Let's actually restart it one more time. Game code. Okay, configure. Yes. And then we select our generator, which is this one. And then, yeah, finish. Don't tell me it's now building for X. It is building for X. No, is it? Or is it not? It is again targeting x64. Why? Why is it doing this? Why is it doing this? I don't know. Win32. It doesn't build in 32-bit. I don't understand why that is, though. That is really, really strange. Okay, let's delete these guys here. Let's try again. So we take this guy. We pick Win32 builds. It doesn't give us any choice to pick anything. It does allow us to pick Visual Studio here. Optional platform. Ah, there's a drop-down list here. Oh my gosh. How bad is this? Why does it not say Win32 by default here? That would be nice if it had written in Win32 here, but it doesn't. So we have to select it here and we can almost not see it. And then we can finish it. Huh. Okay, I guess now it will compile, yeah. There we go. But it's not very user-friendly because if you miss this, then yeah, you build with for x64 by default. Yeah. It would be nice if it could default to Win32 straight away, so that there's really no confusion about it, you know? It already is World Builder. Either way is fine. I can't get the CMake preset to default to architecture Win32. It always wants to start with x64. Wants to configure with x64 by default. Okay, so do we have it configured? Yes, let's click on generate. How about we move .build? How about we move build folder to .build folder starting with dot is more obvious that it is a local temp folder. Dot. Okay, let me delete. Let's leave it there for that. Okay, Win32. Okay, let's start the solution. Yeah, okay, so now it's Win32, that's correct. Okay. Okay, let's put it to release with dep info. We want debug info as well. Oh man, the solution is hanging again. Looks like Visual Studio needs a bit of time. Okay, let's set this as startup project and let's compile this. And I expect that there will be compile errors, but we will see. Yeah, error. Okay. Okay. Okay, though there's work to do, then this is probably something we will look into next. So I see a lot of STL port stuff. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we need to go through one by one and then figure out how to gracefully work it out. Ideally, I mean, what would be good if we can get this to compile with minimal changes? Like still use all the original libs for Win32, right? I mean, this looks just like a problem with includes here. So maybe we can figure that out. Yeah, I mean, it would be great if we don't have to make super big changes, right? Really, like, be careful with what we change to get it to compile. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the right approach. Yeah. Be diligent. Oh. Oh. Okay. Then leave it on Windows. I always put dot. Yeah, I don't know anything about Unix, Linux. Never worked with it. I just purely base it off of Windows. Yeah. Good. Let the OmniBlade handle it. Yeah. Good, but it already looks very good. We have it generated in Visual Studio 2022. And now next steps, we will try to fix all the compile errors with the least amount of changes that we can do. Have like a clean upgrade. But I think we need to branch off before we do that. So we need to wait until OmniBlade makes a commit. Then we create a new branch, vs6 branch. And any changes that cater to the modern version, they don't go into the vs6 branch. Yeah. But other changes do. Yeah. Yeah. Good. That is the correct arc as far as I can tell, but maybe it doesn't work for the Ninja generator and it just takes whatever it finds. I start an Native Tools prompt and run CMake from there. Yeah. Yeah, well, I got it through the CMake GUI. It is possible to select Win32 in CMake GUI after clicking configure, but it is poorly presented. Would have been nice if it was selected Win32 by default. Okay, I think I will take a break now. That has been a long enough session. We did get the Max plugin to compile, so that's good. We had a quick look here at the Visual Studio 2022 solution. It's being generated, that's good. We need to fix the compile errors. Yeah. Good, we'll take a break here. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.